Hey guys, we're going to walk through the Cherokee Pup 14CC. This is a 2023. Check out that new paint job by Pup. Blue, white, and black. Looks good on these new campers. As well as that mirror tint that they're doing now on them. Looking great. Of course, on the Pup, you get that backup camera prep on them, backup cameras on them already. They are good looking. Let's take a walk inside this camper, see what we have to offer. There's that 14cc looking great on there. Rear entrance on this camper. Let's take a walk in. As soon as you walk in, of course, you got your nice queen bed in the very nose of the camper. Nice overhead cabinetry there, plenty of space. Here to the left, of course, you got your kitchen. 2-burner cooktop with your single bowl sink with a nice little cover, give you as much counter space as you can. Got your microwave right over top as well. And then rotating across here, there's a good shot of the all the lineup from Pup. And a 2-person dinette here, also doubles as a bed if you would like it to. And of course, you have more cabinetry over top as well as your one-touch control panel. Good shot of it there with your solar controller. Moving down the camper here a little bit. There's a good shot of your 12-volt refrigerator running off the solar panel as well as your battery disconnect down there. Here on the left-hand side here, you have your throne room. Lots of room to move around in there. Of course, lots of privacy as well. And then here on the other side, you have your nice shower as well as your sink to wash your hands in, as well as do anything else you'd like to do, like take a shower. Tankless water heater is on all these campers, so you have instant hot water. Thanks for joining us on this Pup 14cc. Have a good one.